to Jackson and Julie's Learning Channel. Today, we're going to learn about a cool science experiment, our first one that we've done so far.
Catalyst.
About catalyst. A catalyst is something that causes a reaction, and we're going to learn about chemical reactions. And our science experiment is called the foam explosion. So these are the ingredients that you need.
Dish soap.
Food coloring.
Blue food coloring, or whatever if you want.
Any color.
And then some hydrogen peroxide. Oh, and let me tell you something about hydrogen peroxide. Do not get it, no, whenever you touch it, do not put it on your face.
It's not really good for your skin. And you also need yeast, plastic bottle that is
16 ounce.
And you need
a funnel.
A funnel, yes.
All right, so you're going to start by
water.
adding a squirt of dish soap.
And we got a good assistant here, Miss Jackie.
She's helping us out. Give it up for Miss Jackie.
All right, squirt of dish soap.
So one squirt of dish soap. Yep.
Okay. I think we should take this off.
Nope, you have funnel in there. One squirt of dish soap, that's good. A squirt of food coloring.
Got it on my
It's okay, it's just soap. Squirt of food coloring.
Get off me. So I'm doing it over there. I don't get it on myself again.
You can just leave the cap off, it's okay. All right, next,
I just did a little.
hydrogen peroxide.
Jackson, I can't hold this anymore.
Hydrogen peroxide. 1 cup.
Peroxide. You need a teaspoon.
1 cup. All right, then Julie.
Hold this, please. Hold this, please.
And Julie, you're going to mix a teaspoon of yeast.
You gotta pay attention.
Jackson, hold that. Julie, get a teaspoon of yeast into your 2 tablespoons of water.
Yes, it kind of looks like chocolate milk because there was already a little bit of yeast in here.
And mix it up. So Jackson, why is hydrogen peroxide in a brown bottle?
Because so it doesn't
Break down, so it doesn't break down because it's in a brown bottle because it breaks down way easier than yeast does.
And plus,
So
I
which is
got a tan from out here.
All right, ready?
I think I'm getting worse.
Let's go.
With my bones. Alright, this is gonna make our explosion thing happen. I don't know.
Okay, take the funnel off, Jack.
Take it off.
The funnel.
Take the funnel off. Take it out.
All right, so what's happening right now?
It's making a chemical reaction.
Which was the catalyst?
The catalyst was the yeast. As you can see, it made an explosion.
I got like fingers. Yay.
Bye.
Bye.
Make sure not to make. If you ever do this, then you need to have a parent. And make sure if you want,
Julie got on.
if you want to try to do this, you can get a science experiment on Amazon. Bye.
Jackson.